Most people don't enjoy sitting down to review their finances, let alone making a budget. It can seem complicated or just plain boring. But if you don't give your money clear instructions, it will disappear, and probably not on anything important. Luckily, there's a very simple and effective method to organize your income, the 50-30-20 rule. It's one of the easiest systems to follow if you want to manage your money more mindfully. Think of your monthly income as a pie, and you're going to divide it into 3 slices. 50% goes toward covering your basic needs. 30% is for personal enjoyment and lifestyle. And 20% is set aside for savings, investments, or paying down debt. Keep in mind, these percentages are based on your net income, that is, what you actually take home after taxes. If you earn $3,200 a month but take home $2,900 after taxes, you should use the $2,900 as the base for applying this rule. The 50%, essentials or basic needs. This portion is for everything you need to live and work with dignity. This includes housing, rent or mortgage, though it doesn't have to be an expensive apartment or a big house. For instance, sharing rent with a roommate can save you a lot. Groceries, buying essentials like rice, vegetables, milk. This doesn't include eating out at restaurants. Healthcare, medical insurance, prescriptions, doctor visits. Basic utilities, water, electricity, gas, public transportation, phone, and basic internet. All necessary to keep your home and life running. Minimum debt payments, if you have an active loan or credit card debt, you must at least pay the minimum due. If your net income is $2,100, then 50% equals $1,050. That's your monthly budget for essentials. Of course, if you have a low income, sticking to 50% for basic needs can be tough. But as your income grows, this rule becomes easier to follow. The 30%, lifestyle or personal spending. This percentage is designed so you can enjoy your money too. It includes everything that's not essential but makes your life more enjoyable. Clothing and accessories, trendy clothes, branded shoes, items you like but don't urgently need. Tech gadgets, upgrading your phone, buying wireless headphones, or other fun electronics. Entertainment, movies, concerts, outings with friends, subscriptions like Netflix or Spotify, video games, travel. Personal treats, coffee shop runs, delivery food, impulse purchases. If you earn $2,100, 30% equals $630. That's your budget for personal enjoyment without affecting your needs or savings. It's not about cutting out these things. It's about knowing how much you can afford to spend without putting your finances at risk. This is where many people get confused, believing all spending is necessary. But if you learn to separate wants from needs, you'll avoid making poor financial decisions. The 20%, savings, investments, and debt reduction. This part builds your future. If you use this 20% wisely, you'll have long-term financial security. Emergency fund, save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. It's a lifesaver if you lose your job or face unexpected costs. High-interest debt repayment, if you have a credit card with a 30% interest rate, use this money to pay it off as soon as possible. Investments, start with index funds, the stock market, bonds, or use apps that let you invest as little as $5 or $10. Financial goals, saving for a home, a car, education, or retirement. With a $2,100 income, 20% equals $420. This money should never be used for luxuries. It's either saved or invested to improve your future. And if you can save more than 20%, even better. Some people manage to hit 25% or 40% because they've optimized their needs and lifestyle. The 50-30-20 rule isn't magic, but it's definitely powerful. It helps you clearly see where your money is going and make smarter decisions, without needing to be a financial expert. Can't follow the rule perfectly right now? That's okay. The important thing is to start and make progress little by little. You can even tweak the rule based on your values. For example, if you want to donate part of your income, you could take that amount from your 30% lifestyle category. The key is to have a plan. Make sure every dollar has a purpose. Because when you control your money, you gain more control over your life too. Let us know in the comments. Do you already use a method to organize your finances? Would you like to try this rule? If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and share it with someone who needs to take control of their money. See you in the next video.